The new match, women's match, Divas versus Falcon. Arshi to bowl. And it's been swept on the leg side. 1 run. 2 balls, 1 run. Diva side led by Anisha.
Arshi bowling from Nala end.
ये टाइम कमेंट्री में आपने मेरी कोई तारीफ ही नहीं की। मेरे टाइम पे आप क्या कर रहे थे? उसके बाद तो माइक है।
Divas into all kind of IHCL, which you all are enjoying, is brought to you by Prince Developers, Memon Realtors, and Brand X Digital. EIPL, Panasonic, Infinity Constructions, all have their part to play in this super IHCL. मिथुन भाई, ओ मिथुन भाई, इतने पास खड़े होने से कोई वो जीत थोड़ी जाएगी। मतलब कभी तो दूर हो। I don't understand the controversy. पता ना चले मैंने बोला।
ये क्या कंट्रोवर्सी है?
जीत को आग लगाते हुए अग्नि देते हुए।
ये समझ नहीं रहा है हमको।
अर्शी बॉलिंग द थर्ड बॉल।
अरे वो पीछे देख रही है।
मैं बुला थोड़ी रहा हूँ।
बुला थोड़ी रही है।
And it was a good ball on the middle stump. Isha had no judgment of the ball. The ball went over the stumps. Arshi fourth ball. And this was a height ball which was hit by Isha well, but only for a single. Another height ball for a single. And at last, Mega catches it after 2-3 attempts. Another one goes up, but hits the net, so she's safe. Safe for her single. 1 over, 5 runs. A kind of an average start for both the teams. Swara bowling the second ball over first ball. Isha could hit a ball very well just for a single. Falcons batting. Oh, good shot. Good shot by Rave. Oh, unfortunate. It was a run out. She didn't see.
क्या बात है? श्रेया. अरे मी कमेंट्री वरती असं नाही बोलू शकत.
1 over 3 runs, 1 over 3 balls, 7 for 1. Falcons. Swara. Swara bowling the fourth ball. Isha hitting it hard, but on the nets. एक रन ले लिया उन्होंने. Mix कर देते हैं. Oh, Rida hits it hard, and it is saved by Money. Very well saved by Money. Right on the money. Money.
शानदार bowling और fielding का प्रदर्शन. और ये बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग, एक और रन आउट.
Oh my God! This was not required at all.
Super
And Rida goes
fielding
back
by
without doing anything to the score.
super fielding by
This is a very
Mega.
hefty blow on Falcons.
and Swara grabbing the ball quickly and a beautiful run out. 2 run outs in this over. A very good over.
They don't seem to be thinking much about it, just hitting and running.
I think the coordination is lacking between the women, the
Yeah.
Falcons.
You
They're
got-
trying too hard, but I think it's not working for them. They need to calm down. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. They need to calm down. So you also, no? So this is third over by Anisha. Number 5 ki 6? 6.
Number 6.
ना दुपट्टा मेरा. Hmm. She takes the knot. Oh.
This is a
The
nice
Angel tries hard to hit, but couldn't get the ball bat.
my
Oh,
God, these are
another
like-
loopy ball. Loopy lollipop balls.
These are like loopy Yorkers being bowled
Yeah.
by Anisha. And there is a change in the field.
No, there's not a change in the field. Actually, the captain
Okay.
has gone all over the place to talk to the wicket keeper out there. She's trying
Keeper
to
is
hard.
doing good job getting hold of these balls. They are very difficult when it bounces right in front of you. Another, oh, that's a wide.
Oh, it's a
Big wide.
It's a sin. Anisha has done a sin.
Next ball. And it's been whacked again on the leg side, straight on the net.
Don't you think that we should cut this field into 2 parts and give away the offside? Because there's not a single shot on the offside.
That's how the women play.
Even men also, I've seen most of the
Yeah.
men are just going for the swing.
So you want us to like cut down the half of the wicket and
Yes.
start playing on the leg?
One small tip for the commentators: please start performing also in cricket.
Core committee, please stick on
Oh,
getting
well
the
left.
tournament done.
Well left by Isha.
Core committee.
Score reaches 12-2 in 2.4 overs.
Another ball and it's been whacked.
Oh, it's been
and-
bagged, but a
and Money
very
stops it.
good fielding.
Just
Money
a single.
right on the money. Oh, again, what a good shot. This time it goes to Supriya. Supriya fielded well. Threw back.
3
Well-
overs, 14 for 2.
What do you think that Rida's wicket will affect them?
I think in the women's a good score would be around 40, 42 is a good defendable total, and it's a par scores like we have seen in the past matches. 40, 42 is like a good score to defend,
Yeah,
and above 40 it gets really difficult for them to hit because there are not many sixes or fours been hit. It's just the single and double which matters. Another loopy ball and another.
Another run out.
Oh, there was a
Just
missed fielding
averted.
and that caused a missed run out. Is it a no ball? Oh, it's a no ball.
It's a no ball.
It's a height no, so you have a free hit now. So the player can,
Hit it hard.
cannot get
Come on,
out.
Angel.
Let's see. Another huge ball.
Another no ball. Another no
That's
ball.
going right above the head of the batsman. I think these beamers, the bowler has to be warned. What do you think, Jagdeep Paji? Too many beamers been bowled by the bowler.
Do you really think that this kind of bowling will help cricket?
I have no comments on that. And there comes a comeback ball.
Yeah, comeback ball.
Finally, she got the hold of the ball. Maybe it was slipping in her hands.
No,
Good ball
that,
by
that
her.
is the style of bowling, I suppose. This Luli Lop.
Another good ball and very well fielded. Not allowing to take a single. 2 balls gone. 3.2 overs. And that's been hit and that's six!
Oh, that's a six. Great shot. Great shot.
That is a beautiful shot.
Great shot. Great
Mani
shot.
tried really hard but couldn't manage to get hold of the ball and it went all the way for 6. And she comes back strong.
Another
And
no ball.
another no ball. This time, what's the reason for the no ball? Oh, she caught the ball
Ahead
in
of
front
the
of the stumps.
Yeah.
So that's a no ball.
Yeah, that's a no ball.
So the keeper has to catch it behind the stumps. She cannot catch it before the stumps.
Yeah, it was a too early a catch. It's a free
hit
hit.
now. And
Oh,
been
it's a
hit
good hit,
straight
good
up
hit.
and they are running for one and that's
No,
not out.
not out. It's not given.
Umpire is
Umpire is
going
consulting with the leg
for-
umpire.
There is
Out.
and that's out.
The
The
final
bat
says.
was in the air. I thought so.
Yeah.
But there was no read of getting that run.
But they are taking the
Yeah,
review.
they're taking the review.
Hmm.
It's a close call
Yeah.
and the soft decision is out.
How close it is? It will-
Very close, touch and go. So let's see what the DRS has to say. And that's out. New batsman in. कौन है?
Guys, there is excellent food at the food counter. There is a bamboo shoot counter which has vegetarian and non-vegetarian lunch options. Rameshwar Cafe, that's their full day. And there is also some fantastic desserts. So please eat at the food counter only.
Sponsored by Sachin. That's a beautiful stop by Swara. Guys, enjoy all the food counters. And there are
Khana-
some other stalls as well.
खाना यहीं
And
खाएं.
what a stop! That's a good stop.
Not out. Umpire
Just
says
tell
not
the
out.
right leg
Umpire says not
and
out. नहीं जबर.
Not out.
Not out. 4 overs, 24 runs. 24 balls, 24 runs. What do you think? So it's Mega coming with the 5th over. First ball to Isha. Mega checking with the fielders. बाएं दाएं देखती हुई. Making a poker face.
One more sweep shot on the leg side. The opener is still there.
It's a no ball.
Is it a line? No.
Nah, it's a
line,
9.
no.
No. Oh, it's a free 8 for Mehak.
The bowler. Oh.
The batsman
this
of the
is-
day. Oh,
What a
good
shot that is.
shot.
Oh, and missed it.
Nobody was backing it up. Nobody was backing it up.
But no harm done. Just a single. Could have been a brilliant catch. Mr. Jayesh is here.
No.
The winning guy. Oh.
His don't you think just sunscreen seems to dry it off?
And that's out. Beautiful catch by the keeper.
Beautiful catch with the keeper.
The opener is gone.
Isha batted well for 4.2 overs. Now it all goes down to Mehak. Darshak, where are you? DJ. DJ Darshak, where are you? DJ Wale Babu.
Darshak is serving food
Darshak
to
is not
everyone.
interested what his wife is playing or not.
Arey!
Darshak.
मम्मा खेल रही हो, भागे जा रहे इसके पैर टूटेगा, नी पे गिरेगा वो।
Oh, what a shot for a
A
single.
paddle sweep in box cricket. This is the first time I've seen it. Mehak on strike, Mega to ball.
Don't you think they need a 6 or 4, a boundary? It's almost
need
8 balls left.
Lot of runs right now, and that's been hit on the covers and a fumble, and that costs a run. In women's, the fielders standing close are really important because they are the ones who control the match.
Yes.
I think the good fielders should stand in the front rather than standing behind,
Hmm.
because
you never know.
stopping those singles will really put a lot of pressure on the batsmen.
But you really don't know, na. If it's in the Mehak's hand, the bat, it can go anywhere. She
runs.
just runs. What a running by Mehak. What a running. And she's famous for runouts too.
What a stupid running. Over हो गई, भागना ही नहीं चाहिए था. पहले ही भाग गई strike लेने को. I think it was a miscalculation.
On her part.
Yeah, because it
Yes.
was the last,
Last
ball,
ball.
and suddenly they take a run and
You're out of the strike.
she ran before the ball was bowled. So she can be like,
No, she ran after the ball was bowled, but she was before the shot was taken. In fact, let's see what unfolds with money in the last over. Oh, good running again. Once again,
one run taken.
the strike
Last
goes.
over.
Strike goes
Money
to
versus Mehak. Let's see what's
The M fight.
And she whacks it on the offside, but just a single. Singles won't hurt the Divas much. I think the big hits are needed now.
Oh, it's a
And that's
wide.
a wide ball.
Looks like a wide.
Yes, it
Yeah,
is
it is a wide. Again, single taken.
Physiorhythm. Yeah.
34 for 4 in 5.3 overs. Falcon batting versus Divas. Mehak making money wait. Is this a strategy, do you think?
All the players can use a foot scan done at Physiostram.
Uh,
It is available for everyone. Good to see how good your leg is.
do
And
we
that's been whacked.
what
And
else back, but
oh, that's
good
a
save
good
by
stop
Arshi.
by Ashi.
Good stop, Arshi. Good.
Just keeping
उधर
it
पीछे,
for
पीछे,
a
पीछे, four.
single.
Out.
And that's out. Ball watching.
Yeah, I heard of bird watching, but this is ball watching.
Yeah. Could have got the second because she almost was running on the danger end and she managed to complete the run as well.
Yeah.
It could have been easy if Mac would have run the second. Could have
No,
been
but
on
it-
strike.
But Meg could have got run out also. She was
Not
on the
really
danger end.
because the
Danger
throw was not on the danger
end.
end.
No, it was
Danger end-
directed. Direct.
More importantly, she would have been on strike
Yeah.
because she is the
Yeah, but
person
she-
who can really whack the ball for a six.
Yes, right. Right, you are. She was on the same score in the morning.
2 balls to go.
Okay, there's still one ball. She can have the strike.
Depending, the batter doesn't miss it.
40 around score, I feel, is the.
Another ball and that's
Oh,
been
it has been
whacked
whacked
and
by
a single.
Shreya.
Another single. And last ball.
ball.
What do you think, Jagipaji? What would it be?
It will be hit on the nets, I suppose. I'm not very sure of. Because Money is
What's
bowling
the-
very smartly. And
I think you cannot keep doing this. They're taking too much
Nah,
time.
lot
I
of
would
time.
tell the umpires to stop.
They want to run too, I suppose. They're more into running.
And that's a six.
Oh!
No need of the running when you can
Once
do something
again,
like that.
Mehak doing the job,
stepping
hitting the
down.
six of the last ball. It's 42. I swear, it is 42 again. Third time in the row. It's 41, 42, 42, 41, 42.
This is a pass score just being chased one time, I think.
Yeah, it has been chased once and it has been not been chased on second occasion.
So the
So let's see
Divas
what
has to
happens.
really bat well to get to the score. They have to keep the scoreboard ticking every ball. Only then I think they would manage to get through this score.
I feel if Divas are to win, they will have to bat well and see that they don't waste balls.
Yes,
Because
that
they
is
have,
true.
they have 36 balls to get 42.
And they do have some good batting power.
Yeah.
Let's see how they manage to get this to this score. These matches are taking a long time. बियर दे, पाणी दे, अजून काय काय दे. आली नुसती
Andiamo con tutte क्रिकेट पर फुल है दम, हर शॉट में जान, हर गेंद में रम। बाउंड्री छोटी पर सपने बड़े, टीम का जज्बा सबको जोड़े। लड़े एक ओवर में कमाल दिखाओ, बैट से बड़ाल से धमाका मचाओ, शोर मचाओ, ताली बजाओ, ट्रॉफी की चमक से महफिल सजाओ। क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने, हर दिल को पास ले आने, साथ में खेले साथ में झूमे, मेरे क्रिकेट से चमके त्योहार।
यो क्रिकेट रैप, क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने।
I sell box cricket tuna. Yo फुटबॉल आप उठा के बरुमा, बच्चे बड़े सबका जज्बा जमा, ले लीजिए देंगी चौकों की मारा। ISL में क्रिकेट का त्योहार, सोसाइटी के ग्राउंड पे सब आओ यार, आज खेलेंगे क्रिकेट होगा धमाल पार। चाहे बैटिंग करो या बॉलिंग संभालो, मौका मिले तो स्टंप्स भी उखाड़ो। कैडेट्स ले लीज किड्स भी साथ, इसी बहाने बढ़ेगी हमारी बात। ये मैच नहीं एक जश्न बड़ा, हर जीत से ऊपर दिलों से जुड़ा। क्रिकेट बहाने दोस्त बनाने, हर दिल को पास ले आने, 4 रन हो या छक्का लगे, मस्ती में सब झूमे झमेले हटे। क्रिकेट पर फुल है दम, हर शॉट में जान, हर गेंद में रम। बाउंड्री छोटी पर सपने बड़े, टीम का जज्बा।
And some sweet counters as well.
Okay, the game starts now.
Hey!
Oh, very well played
Pushed
by
it on the offside and a single.
Palak. Oh, Rituja goes for the
And that's
shot,
been
misses it
missed. Inside
completely.
edge and straight to the keeper, no runs taken. Prince. Prince नहीं है इनका नाम. Jaggibaji becoming.
Oh,
And
there's a
that's
good
a
shot
good
by Rituja.
shot and
Palak
misfield
will
and-
have to run
Oh,
fast.
that's a no ball. I think
It's
the
a no
baller
ball.
touched the line.
Touch the stumps.
Touched the stumps. Okay.
Yeah, the baller touched the stumps, so it's a no ball.
Okay, that's a no ball. I thought it would have been a dead ball. So it's a free hit now. So the batsman has the liberty to hit, and batsman is going to the pavilion.
Oh, she's opted for her specs, I suppose. You know, the ladies take time to dress also.
भाई इनके लिए तो अलग टर्फ चाहिए.
Oh, what a ball! Rituja misses it, and but the ball goes
This is
over the
good
stumps.
bowling by the bowler. 4 balls, 4 runs, keeping it on the stumps.
Just before the bowling, she slows down and takes her time. Oh,
And
what a
that's been hit.
shot. Oh,
And fielded well in the deep.
fielded well with
Just
the deep.
1 run.
There was a good follow back up by Isha.
And
she gets
she
the
has
ball.
whacked the stumps.
Whacked-
That's a hit wicket.
Yes, that's a hit wicket.
This is first hit wicket of the tournament, I think.
Yeah, it is the first one. It's a bad one.
And that's
Oh my
ball.
god, it's ball! Super bowling
Both
by
the openers are
Shreya.
gone.
What a ball, what a ball.
Next batsman.
Divas looking to lose the steam, but they still have batswomen who are capable of batting
debut
them.
This season, a young
Mahak
player
Ali
coming
seems
to bat.
very happy, but DJ is not around. He's busy eating.
And that's lunchtime. Everyone's enjoying the beautiful food which has been served here.
Yeah. Guys, please don't go upstairs to eat the food. Enjoy it downstairs only. Oh, what a
beautiful
ball. What
ball
a ball by
again.
Shreya once again.
Right in the block hold. And Shreya misses it.
Oh,
And
what a
it's been hit
shot.
on the covers.
Vaiswara, what
Another
a shot by
single.
Vaiswara. No, she's... Oh, what a miss, what a miss. Shera bowling very well. Arshi is... Oh, another run out. Suara was not looking into Arshi. Arshi had already crossed over. She had to run in the last moment and got out. Oh. There's a lot going on, and there's a lot of food out around here, guys. Those who want to enjoy the lunch, they can have it there. We have very good stalls for that. What happened, Adi?
कुछ नहीं भाई
Yeah? अच्छा अच्छा हाँ. Oh, another miss, another run out. Another run out, another miss and another run out. I don't know what they are doing. Why are they running just like that? Just like that. In between, I would like to tell you that you can have a foot scan, you can have your physiotherapy done out here. Adi's enjoying it. Adi's enjoying it. After 5 minutes, he will be sleeping, I suppose. Adi, are you well? You're not looking well.
He thought it was massage.
Oh, here's Anisha taking the charge. Divas in deep trouble. 9 for 4 in 2.2 overs. Need 34 runs and 22 balls. Oh, what a ball. What a loopy ball. Divas 10 for 4 in 2.2 overs. Need 33 runs in 22 balls. It's getting difficult for them, I suppose. Kunal, what do you think?
Come on, Divas.
This kind of running I've seen it first time in my life. They're already there on the other side before things all. Mac is smiling, smiling. She thinks the game is in her pocket. Left or right? Oh, another hit, but it will be out. It's taken. Arshi has been taken by Rida. Rida, the smartest fielder in the side. Yes, 12 for 5, Divas. Need 31 more.
What a catch, Rida. Excellent catch. Good, calm composure.
Kunal is thinking of giving of a cash prize to Rida. Do you think?
IHCL will give, don't worry.
I heard you had. Kunal, I heard that you had a very good calls on silver these days.
I was just calling silver, silver, silver from my window.
Okay.
And it started going up. Next batsman, Mani. Good shot. They're running for single. Okay, easy single.
Hello.
We have a silver boy sitting just at the back with us. He's full of silver these days and he must be expensive. The silver boy.
Anisha on strike.
Oh, what a shot, Anisha. Just for single. Rida feels well. Back to Angels.
Rida, one of our very strong fielders on the boundary. She's not missing any ball. Meg is now going to bowl.
महक अपनी सेंट फैलाएंगी अब. Oh, good bowling, good bowling. The ball came into the batsman. उसने आगे पकड़ा शायद मेरे ख्याल से. आगे आके पकड़ लिया. Isha, it's a no ball. It's due to keeper. Keeper collected the ball ahead of the stumps, I suppose. It's a free hit. Come on, Anisha. Batting, but only for one. The ball, the match going to the last over, I suppose, again. Mag adjusting the fields, and then there's a shot. Anisha puts it on the. No, no, no. They should not go for a misfield. Already they're out of players. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! But only for a single. Oh, they're running. They're getting. They're taking a second run. Good running, Money. Good running. Good thinking. The match is on the stake. Money wants to from every ball. One shot run. One shot. There's a controversy on one shot run. They will have to be there. She has to come back. क्रॉस तो वैसे ही होएगा. हाँ, शॉर्ट रन रहेगा लेकिन क्रॉस करके उनको उधर ही जाना पड़ेगा. This has been a little controversial, and they're taking a DRS over a one shot run. नहीं मेरे से बात हाँ our director from ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता Mr. Ramesh, he has some special comments on this. Please go.
पाजी आपको क्या लगता है ये डीआरएस लेना सही डिसीजन था या क्या?
पाजी का इंटरव्यू नहीं ले रहे, पाजी आपका पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं. No, this is the वो निकली नहीं होती अभी तक सुपारी मिल के खत्म हुई कहानी खत्म हो चुकी होती. हाँ. There was a very good dialogue in the movie that in entertainment, but this is controversy. This is what it's all about. You know, controversies are always like a chewing gum. They never end. And how you are feeling now with the fan over you and a lot of stretching? Do you really want to play after this?
No, I don't want to play.
You are still in. You must be believing that you are in Goa.
I want to win.
No, he hangs around. सुबह 6 बजे आ जाता है. At last, it starts again. Falcons are, Divas are 21 for 5. Need another 21 runs, I suppose. Good bowling. She's turning it in from the offside. Keeper change, 22 needed from two overs. पक्का भाई अभी 4 मैच और है ना इसके बाद कितना डाला 4 डाला अच्छा 4 मैच है ना अभी इसके बाद Divas getting ready for the second ball of a new over. She tries to hit, but straight into the hand of the bowlers. 21. And smart play by Money, smart play by Money. Very smart play. Oh, what a ball. She has bowled her round the leg. We have a fogging machine. Another loopy ball and Supriya hits it for a single. 7 balls. It's 25 for 7. 5 was completed. They need to cross to 43, I suppose. So Rida bowling the last over to Money. सबको सिखाई हुई है. Good bowling and another. अभी आउट दिया ही नहीं है. No, it's not out. I. Reda bowling the fourth ball. Money misses it. Just a run, single run. The score moves slowly to 28 for 7 and 5.5 overs. It's all done. Divas are done and dusted at this time in this match. Falcons have really overpowered them. Massive 14 runs required of one ball. And oh, what a ball by Rida. What a ball by Rida.
What's the name of your mama? What's the surname? Shilpa. Chaube. And what's the name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello. What's your name?
Kashin.
Hello, Kashin is here. Where is the mother? The child lost. Who is crying? Hello. Kashin is here. Where is her mother? The small child which is crying.